Okay guys, welcome to it's for the Woodies desk lamp and it's part 3. So open up your SolidWorks file. New part, save as first of all. So new part, okay. Right, top plane, normal 2, sketch, circle, starting at the origin, press escape, smart dimension that 130, press the green tick, and go features, extruded boss base, 25mm. Green tick, press the F button if you want to bring it back up for yourself. Around the top edge, there's a fillet, so we've got features, fillet, and 4mm will do. Make sure you have the full preview turned on every single time for those, and that will fillet the edge for you. Green tick. So we want to select the top face, space bar, normal 2, and we want to draw down a center line down through the middle, please. And then we want to draw a circle anywhere over on the left hand side, that's for the arm to go down into, and then we want to draw a center rectangle over here for the switch insert. On the right, smart dimension, the circle 25 diameter, and then from the center point out to the outside edge 22, please. Press the green tick, and then the dimensions for this rectangle. Okay, so now, actually before that, so press escape, I want to put a star or a dot on that, or a point, because it won't pick up the right side edge of it. On the smart dimension, from that point to the edge here, 50, and then 20 on the side, 15. That should go fully defined for you there now. Now I want to go features, extruded boss base, and I want to make them 15. Press the green tick. Now we'll come back and delete this later on. Alright, that's no problem. It's this that I want, the 15. This here I want to cut down into the base so I can insert the switch later on. But don't worry, at least we have the profile and the dimensions around the outside edge. Okay, so that's all good. I want to select the top face here, space bar, normal 2, and I want to draw another circle here. I want to wake up the center point by going around the outside circumference. draw a circle in, and I want that 21. And I want to cut down into that so I can insert the arm. So features, extruded cut, and I want 20 mil. Now, this one here, I don't need that, so I want to cut down into it. So, quick way of doing this is going to convert entities. So I need to select the top face there, go sketch, make sure, and go into the sketch. And I want to convert entities. So convert entities, so that's after highlighting the area around that. And then I want to cut down there, so features, extruded cut. Now I want to go offset from surface, so I want to go offset from the surface, as you can see there. I want you to select reverse offset and translate surface. As you can see, it's going down into it now, so I need to go 10 millimeters down into that. So basically what I'm after doing is I'm after selecting this profile, I'm after selecting the surface that I want to cut down through, and that's going to go down into it 10 millimeters now. Press the right tick. So that's fairly good. Now at the back here, that's where the cord goes in. So I want to set up, I can't cut from one of the planes here. So I need to set up a plane to the right plane. So select your right plane, go to features, then go to reference geometry and plane. And we want 90 degrees right plane, correct. Now here, I want to select the flip offset button, or not, do I? No, hang on now, we'll see. Yeah, flip offset, because it was at the right hand side of the right plane, as you can see there. Now we want it on the left hand side. So 10 millimeters goes to 80, please, thank you. And then the last little bit on this, setting up a circle on this, because it's a circular profile. So we want to go, after setting up the plane, you go spacebar, normal 2. Now that will bring around the far side, so we need to press spacebar and normal 2 again. So it's very, very important to press the spacebar and normal 2 twice there. Alright, so then we set up a circle. So go into the sketch, because I want to draw on the plane, make sure you're drawing on that plane, and go circle, and draw a circle anywhere along there, at the center line. Press escape on your keyboard. Smart to mention that 8 diameter, and from the center point to the top line, make sure you have that. Sorry, now that's it. That was very make a mistake there. So make sure you select the center point and the top line, and that's 10 millimeters apart. Press escape. One more smart to mention: from the center point to the baseline, to make it fully defined. Now, you know what? I need to just trim that and start again. So don't do it on the center, just draw it over anywhere at all here. And we'll try it this way. So 8. sorry, now we'll just go back to the first. I don't need it fully defined, so we'll just draw it on the center line again. Smart dimension. This works for me at home. I don't know why it's not working here now. 10. That seems to be pretty okay. And then, you know what, I'm just going to make a vertical relation to the origin here. So we'll go press the center point, hold down control, select the origin, and go vertical. That's okay. That was fully defined. Alright, so just revert back to the very first stage there. I just tried a different way, lads. It wasn't working either way. Look, it's no big hassle if you don't get fully defined. And last thing there to do is to cut that in. So we want to go features, extruded cut. We want to go, now we look, see the way it's going outside, we want to flip that around. Right, so it's going in. Instead of blind, we want offset from surface. We want to select the surface that we want to cut into. So select that area there. Reverse offset. Translate surface. And instead of 10, we want 4. Okay, press the green tick. And then obviously, save as. This should be done at the very start. Sorry, now I was just in a rush here to get it done. Part 3. Base Woodies. Okay, and save that. I'm just going to type in vid because I haven't saved a few times on my desktop, so you just need to part 3 base Woodies. Okay. Thanks, lads.